Hello, this is Ken. Welcome to the Information Nation. That little round disc you see out there is my satellite. That's on about a 3.5 foot pole. This is the nice little snowstorm that we just got here on February 1st. This is February 2nd. There'll be more as I wander around. We'll let you see what in the heck really happened out here. Hey, this is coming out my garage, and you can basically see that we pretty well got hammered. You look at some of the houses over here, see how it is up to the front and garage door and that. And some of the neighbors have already started plowing out, but it's going to take a while to dig out of this. You can see the mailboxes across the street. You know how high a mailbox sits. You take a look at them. They're not plowed in. That's just regular snow. So we got a fair amount of snow over here. Thought might interest the viewers. And we'll send you more in a little bit. Yeah, I thought I'd give you a little bit of perspective here. There's a snow thrower. So you can see we got a fair amount of snow here. This is about 20 minutes worth of work, and got the driveway about 6 foot up, maybe 7, but that'll give you an idea of how much snow we got. Well, it's about an hour later. We got about half the driveway cleared out. Maybe that'll give you a better idea of the amount of snow we got here in northern Illinois. People are out clearing out their driveways, doing the best they can. You can see how everything is. I haven't even gotten to the backyard yet. Well, we got a ways to go. See, everybody's out trying to clear things the best they can. So hey, we'll get right back to you as soon as we get a little bit more done. Maybe we can get a little bit better picture of what's going on here. Till then, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, well, now that we got the deck cleaned off, show you a little bit more. That's my neighbor's deck. And like I said earlier, that's my dish. That's on a little more than a 3 foot pole to the bottom of the dish. And that right there is the picnic bench. And if you take a look down there, you can see my neighbor's roof, how the snow's hanging off of that. So it's been relatively interesting. Yeah, how about that? I got the grill uncovered. Now we can barbecue. And you can see how it is on my roof. Although I did knock some of it down, some of it's still hanging. So that's it. The storm of 2011. For those of you who live way up north and get a lot more snow than this, I'm sorry. And for those of you who live down in Florida where it's nice and sunny, or California, we get a chance, we'll send some to your way. Hey, have a good day. This is Ken for the Information Nation. See you next time. Bye.